Itofaq Office Furniture channel. We at Itofaq are market leaders in home office furniture product. Now today we are going to demonstrate to you the installation of one of our work from home product called Loop Kitchen. Now the product will be received in a carton like this. The approximate weight of this carton is 15 kgs. Now each carton which you receive will have a sticker like this, wherein you will have your reference code number along with the other details of the order. Now the installation of this table is going to take between 10 to 15 minutes. I request you to have a look at this video till the end and follow the instructions clearly as shown in the video. So happy home from office furniture to you. So we'll start the installation. So for the installation, apart from the tool which is inside, you need a screwdriver preferably in plus mode. See, screwdriver normally is available in two different modes, a minus and a plus. So we would need a screwdriver which is in plus mode. So we'll start the installation. So step number one, open the carton. So this is how you will receive the material, if you see. So we'll quickly take out the component inside. So you would need two people to take you through the installation process. This is the carton for hardware and this is the carton for screws and caps. So don't worry if you find caps like this. Now these are caps which are part of the legs. So the caps may come out the way this is coming out. So all you have to do is just press them. Similarly, if you see this table, so this cap has come out, so all you have to do is just put it and just press it. So done. So now, just to tell you how the installation is to be done, again, if the tabletop should be preferably kept on the carpet, or if there is no carpet hard flooring, use the cardboard. So the tabletop has got a front side and a back side. So how to identify the back side? The back side will have these holes. So there are 6 holes provided on the back side, and the front side is there are no holes. It's a very nicely finished table with round edges so that it doesn't hurt the hands, and we'll start the installation process. So step number 2 is open the hardware carton. So in the hardware carton, if you see, you will find 4 of these brackets, as you can see, and screws, set of 6 screws, sorry, 8 screws. Now we will start the installation process. There is another carton, another set of screws, which are these screws which we will use later. So I am going to keep the screws on the tabletop. So we start the process of installation for the legs. Now wherever, if you see in the leg, you will find there are holes provided in the center. There are no holes otherwise. So these holes are meant for these brackets to be installed. If you see, these are common brackets, so you can use any of the brackets up or down. So if I use this bracket on the top and this on the bottom, so I will have to match this bracket with this hole. So these holes have to match the holes which are on the legs. So insert the bolt. So the bolts come with the nuts. So unscrew the nut and only use the bolt. So the bolt goes inside. Make sure that you don't miss these nuts and bolts, because they are numbered. The way we are delivering them is as per the requirement. Still, if you lose them, you can go to any hardware store nearby and you can easily get them from any hardware store. So use each table set is provided with the Allen key, and use the Allen key to tighten this. So there is a nut and bolt arrangement. The bolt is placed on the bottom. Again tighten it. So don't tighten it completely, just keep it loose so that it doesn't fall. Similarly, we're going to do the same thing for the leg number 2. Now ensure while you are doing this, these brackets should face the side of the to the other side where you're standing. So similarly, you're using the same brackets on the second leg, same bolts, bolt number 2, and the bottom bracket with the, now he's going to hold the bolt. So he's holding the bolt on this screw, so I'm going to tighten this screw, slightly tightening so that just holds it. Similarly, the bolt for screw number 2, and we're done. So now what we need to do is we need to insert this beam between these two flanges. If you see, the right position is this has to be up. This is the wrong position, this is the right position. So I insert this beam into this flange. So in case it is not going, all I have to do is I have to reopen the, so it is going. Similarly on the other side it is going. Now I am left with 4 bolts. Again I unscrew the bolts, the nuts from the bolts, and then I put this in the leg, and I put this also in the leg. So the bolt has to pass through and through. In case it is not happening, all it needs is a little adjustment, and it will happen on its own. So one of the bolt is already in place, so I am tightening it. Now I will try the other bolt. So if it doesn't go straight, then it's a problem, but you have to ensure that it goes straight into the hole. So this is an engineered product where the two fitments, when they are fitting, they are properly fitted. Now I am going to tighten, which I didn't tighten at the very first time, because if these are loose, the table will shake. So ensure that these are tightened, and they tighten tightly, because it's just a one-time process to tighten them. Okay, so now these 4 brackets on each, 2 on each of the leg, these you place them just approximately 90 degrees to this leg. And the middle bracket again has to be just parallel to the legs. So parallel, these 2 legs and this bracket parallel. So next step number 3 is to turn this table upside down, and turn the leg upside down, sorry, and put it to the marking. So now we come back to the markings. If you see, we had shown you the markings. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 markings. So just place the legs just where the markings appear. So now if you see, we will start putting the screws now. Don't have to worry about the alignment at the moment. You just have to place the screws. So now this is a very critical step. Please don't involve kids in this, because this, if done carelessly, can result in damages. Just a simple screwdriver, do it with patience, and it's very smooth. So similarly, we tighten all the 6 screws. So 2, and the balance 2. So please make sure that you follow the instructions. Tighten the screw at the exact markings that we have provided, and the screw will automatically go inside. So I think we're done with the table. So now you turn the table upside down, and you are good to go. Again, the same table. If the table is provided with the levelers, in case if the floor is uneven, so all you have to do is just open the leveler or tighten the leveler. You can do it with your hand. Now the table is shaking. I have to open this leveler also. Yeah, so this is fine now. So I hope this video